Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how you can delete your account in Minion Rush. If you are looking for a way to getting rid of your Minion Rush account since you no longer want to continue playing the game, then here is a tutorial for that as well. First of all, open the Minion Rush application and then from the main homepage, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. From the gear menu, you will need to get to the settings option. Here, simply click on yes, I understand that I will no longer be able to use the service. But before that, make sure you go ahead and read the warning message. If you continue deleting your account, your personal information and your game will also be reset. After clicking on the yes option, click on confirm. Now, fill in the information in the text boxes. Select your country, your language, and then choose your product information. Finally, click on I'm not a robot and click on Submit Delete My Account option in order to continue deleting your account. Confirm that you'd like to delete your account again by clicking on yes. And remember that the action cannot be undone. Once you click on yes, you will be able to delete your Minion Rush account right away. So that's how you can easily delete your account for Minion Rush in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you give us a thumbs up and also press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.